Dear students, welcome to the grammar class. We'll start with sentence and its kinds. A sentence is a group of words which expresses complete meaning. It must have a subject and a predicate. See the examples. My son brought some sweets. The sky is cloudy. We'll see the kinds of sentences. Sentences are classified into four kinds according to the function or purpose or the meaning they convey. They are assertive or declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory sentence. Let's see what is an assertive or declarative sentence. Those sentences which make a statement or declare something are called assertive sentences. For example, Himalayas is the highest mountain range. It declares something, it states something. Assertive sentences are of two types, affirmative and negative. We'll see what is an affirmative sentence. When a sentence makes a positive statement, it is called an affirmative sentence. For example, this lesson is very easy. These mangoes are cheap. The next, negative. When a sentence states things in a negative way, it is called negative sentence. For example, this lesson is not difficult. These mangoes are not costly. Negative sentence uses words like no, not, never, none, nothing, neither, nor, etc. Here we have to note, while changing affirmative to negative, the meaning of the sentence does not change and the tense remains the same. For example, he is sometimes foolish. It is an affirmative sentence. See how it is changed to negative. He is not always wise. Both the sentences convey the same meaning. See the next one, interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are the questions. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. For example, where do you live? Interrogative sentences end with a question mark. Interrogative sentences are of two types, WH questions and yes/no questions. WH questions begin with a WH word like below. As shown below, you see who, why, when, where, what, whose, which, and how. These questions are asked to get some information and the answer should be in complete sentence. For example, who went to London? How did you draw this picture? Yes/no questions. These questions begin with an auxiliary verb or a helping verb such as is, was, are, were, do, does, did, have, has, had, will, shall, and can. Answer to these questions is either yes or no, and they are asked for confirmation of something. For example, is there any extra pen? Did you complete your book? Are you tired of writing? See the next type, that is imperative sentences. A sentence that expresses a request, a command, or an order is called imperative sentence. For this type of sentence, the subject is always you and it is not written but understood. For example, when you say shut the door, it means you shut the door. The sentence begins with a base verb and it ends with a full stop. Example, please give a glass of water. It's a request. Go back to your class, and it's an order. Next type, the exclamatory sentences. A sentence that expresses some strong, sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Example, what a clever boy you are. How pretty she is. The exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. You have to note here, if a sentence starts with what, it is followed by a noun phrase and then subject and verb. See the example, what a lovely girl you are. It begins with what, then a lovely girl, it is a noun phrase, then you the subject, then are the verb and exclamation mark. The next, if the sentence starts with how, it is followed by an adjective and then the subject and verb. See the example, how pretty she is. How, then pretty the adjective, then the subject, and then the verb and exclamation mark. Children, I have given you some sentences as exercise. You have to identify the kind of sentences. First, what is the time now? Second, my brother came home with a worried look. Third, close the door at once. Fourth, would you like to have some tea? Fifth, how cool the day is. Next, my father is a rich man. Seventh, why did you come so late? Eighth, please help me to solve this sum. Children, I hope you understood the kinds of sentences, and we'll continue with transformation or interchange of sentences in the next video. Thank you.